Hi folks, in this particular video we'll be going to discuss about like how you can, like step number 0 we learn about how you can learn the programming language, right? Like in my channel you will be able to see certain recordings about the Python programming language, how you can learn the basics. Then we moved out to the data structures and algorithm concept, then little bit about the things, okay, like basics, then patterns we understood about it, and we saw how you can structure your learnings and how you can deal with the problems basically. Okay, so now in this particular video we will be going to discuss about how you can use HackerRank at the most, and how you can understand the problem statement, what is a problem statement is all about, how you can uh, take that problem statement into a structured learning and make it understanding how the problem is about, and how you can optimize the problem basically for, and how you can convert that particular problem into a solution, basically how you can convert the set of instructions into a code basically. So in this particular we'll be going to see that part basically. So what is a HackerRank, you will be might be asking. HackerRank is a platform where you can practice solve the different kind of problems. Might be data structures and algorithms, or to build your logical skills basically. So this is all about the HackerRank is platform altogether is all about basically. So in this particular video we'll be going to understand what that particular platform is all about basically. So start what the particular in HackerRank is talking about basically. HackerRank is a platform we can solve in different programming languages basically. So here see, you will be getting the different programming languages here, so you can choose whichever languages you are comfortable with. I have chose the programming Python as my programming language preferably. Basically I've used Python because it is a very basic, and we will be able to convert the code in very easy manner basically. So let's get started about what the particular function is all about. Okay, so what it's telling is delete the function solve me first. What it is telling is complete the function is nothing but we have to create a function by the function name called as solve me first. Particular problem state, we have to compute the sum of the two integers basically, right? This problem statement is talking about that. So they have given the example here. So let's consider a scenario where a is equal to 7 and b is equal to 3, and what it is going to return is, let's suppose if I am writing giving as an input, so 7 and b as 3, compute addition over that, and it should give me the result as 10 basically. So we understood like how we can complete this. What are the following parameters we have to choose as a parameter we have to pass, and second b as a parameter we have to pass as a second value, and it should return the sum of these two variables a and b basically. And what that a comma b, these are the two inputs. This is the two inputs where 1 to 1000. okay, so 1000 times. Okay, what it is telling is 1 to 1000 times you can take constraints they have written here. So how we can write it basically, here we have taken the a and where what we can do is basically we can return these two parameters as a result. Basically we have to return that basically. So what I'm writing is return a plus b. So this function basically is doing taking a and b parameter, okay, and it is giving us a computing the sum of those two values basically. So now what we wanted to do here basically is we have to take input from the dynamically to we have to take the dynamically, and we have to create one variable basically. Okay, so this is all about this function is going to. So let's say if I'm running this code, okay, how you will be understanding the code base basically. See, whatever we written here, this is passing the test case basically. What it is giving 2 and 3, and the output we are getting is a 5. Okay, so this is a particular sense you have to understand how this computation is. Okay, so if you wanted to change the theme, you can change the theme as well. If you wanted to experiment with the layout, if you wanted to run this particular code the full screen, you can watch that particular sense as well. So now I will show you one particular thing. Okay, let's suppose you have uploaded, if you have written the code in your local system code editor, you can upload that as well. Test some is also you can do it. You will be get tabs here. Okay, so one is a problem statement, another one is a submission, being how you have solved and what is your rank, but what's your solving the competition basically. Okay, so these are the hacker means your names basically, the team members where it is it will be going to represent points, number of points which you have, and which particular country you are belong to shift any country, and based upon the filtration if you want it you can do it. Okay, this and discussion, if you want to discuss this particular problem with your friends or with your coding kind of examples, then you can do it. This particular thing, leaderboard or discussions basically, you can reveal the solution, you can choose that whoever has computed that and how they have done. You can watch this particular thing actually how they have done in different programming language, how so just get started with the here we have what we have done is basically we are printing the result and we are just submitting this code. Okay, so it will be going to check how many number of test cases it will be going to pass. Okay, so this is okay folks. Okay, so now we have earned 1 point basically. Why? Because all the test cases has been passed here. Okay, that's it about this video folks. I hope you understood like how we can, conclusion of this video is not to like aware about this particular platform, how we can work upon and how we can get started with beginnings basically. This is a step 1. Okay, how you have to understand. So I will be recording the problems step by step so that you can watch this particular video. I thought about the like creating a playlist, set of playlist for beginner. What are the kind of problems that you have to solve basically. So you can just watch this particular video. If you need any help, just comment down below. I will reach out to you and comment in the description basically folks. If you want any kind of a link of this particularly, I will be just putting it in the description basically. So that's it about this video folks.